My interest in engineering come from seeing how everyday things work. I always had an interest in like bridges and roads and highways and like the construction behind it.
Engineering is in everything that we do and everything that we see as well. My interest in engineering was first sparked when I was a bit younger, and maybe I didn't quite realise it, but I've always enjoyed maths. I really enjoyed interacting with the real world as well. So whether it was like, playing with Lego, woodworking a little bit when I was a bit older, I've always really enjoyed kind of applying maths in the real world.
As a child, I always had a natural interest in how things work, and that's really developed over the years, from little toys to now really big structures, knowing how it all works, how it's all put together, and how we can shape the future using more sustainable materials.
We've done a lot of sustainability work. The one that sticks to memory is this Engineers Without Borders project, and it focused around the UN Sustainable Goals. I focused on water. We were looking at a place in Peru, very little water, they get droughts all the time, and kind of just working through that and being able to see the different economically friendly solutions that you can do, the stuff that's really going to benefit the community, benefit the wider country as a whole.
My dissertation project involves innovative low-carbon concrete. The construction industry at the moment is not the most environmentally friendly, so I've created a new mixture, produces less CO2, and then tested that against a control mix. I think building relationships outside of lectures and university studies is so important.
Universities helped me fantastically with actually securing placements and other opportunities. I've had extensive help from lecturers that come in over weekend, lecturers that are in constant communication with me. It just makes University of Liverpool stand out, like a sense of community, a sense of familyness, of togetherness.
I'm part of the engineering netball team, and it is the best way to get to know other women involved in engineering, and everyone feels like they fit in, and it's just a really nice community to be a part of.
With the company that I'm with now, they've got a lot of opportunities in the northwest. You think of buildings around Liverpool, there's so many iconic buildings. If I had the opportunity to work on a project of such calibre, and I can sit back and I can see them in my own hometown where I grew up, it would be very rewarding.
I do really like Liverpool as a city. Whether you're walking through the city centre or whether you're just going for a walk kind of around the residential areas, there are all these little hidden gems, whether it's this little cocktail bar hidden on Bold Street or some really nice restaurant that's upstairs of a building you'd never expect. Maybe that ties into the engineering as well. I really like the buildings in Liverpool, so that kind of made me want to come and stay here.
For me, it's an honour and a privilege to be an engineer and get to be a part of the engineering community. Getting to shape the future into a better and brighter place is something that I'm really excited to be a part of. University is meant to be a challenge, and coming here I knew I'd have to work hard, but it's definitely achievable from the support I've got at this university.
Becoming an engineer, it gives me the chance to interact with everything around me, everything in the built environment, so I can go hopefully anywhere in the world and enact any kind of change that I want.